Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the largest acquisition of buses in Jamaica. JUTC fleet further expanded by largest single bus acquisition. Now recently, the JUTC received 100 CNG buses. 100. Never before in recent times has the JUTC received so many buses at one time, or even in a year. These buses were recently handed over to the JUTC by the government. So we're going to quickly go through the number of buses that the JUTC has received over the last 10 years. Now, the JUTC has a mandate for bus service in Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town, where you find the largest population in Jamaica. Over more than half of the people that live in Jamaica live in these three areas. And because over time, well, put it this way, the JUTC needs 400 buses to roll out every day for an efficient service. And they were up to 200 before these buses came in. So they definitely needed buses. Okay, so in 2014, looking back at the last 10 years now. Guess how many buses came in, new buses came into the country for JUTC? 69 in 2014. And then 27 in 2015. 35 in 2016. And 5 in 2019. Then in 2023, 70 came in. And of that 70, 45 were diesel, 20 were CNG, and 5 were electric vehicle units. So in 2013, they started to move towards the newer, more modern, environmentally friendly buses with the 20 CNG and the 5 electric. Now, I guess after they got those buses and evaluated them, they decided to go with CNG, and in 2024 they got 100 CNG buses. So since 2023, a total of 170 buses have been purchased at a cost of 5 billion Jamaican dollars. So it's very good that they are expanding the JUTC fleet because it is needed. It is needed. And I believe Jamaica needs bus service in every major town. Every town. Ocho Rios, Falmouth. Well, Montego Bay has the Montego Bay Metro service, but every town needs an efficient bus service. And we need a bus service to connect all these towns. A government-run, public, as you would say, bus service to connect all these towns. And these buses must run on a schedule. So it's good that they are expanding the JUTC fleet for the Kingston metropolitan area. But we also need the government bus service in every major town and to connect every parish capital or every major town to one another. It's going to take some time, but it can be done, especially with the building of these new highways. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.